Oh, Lindsay on the ribbon. It was just fuzzy.
What is that, Haley? It's Dawson's birthday cake. Ooh.
Sick.
Stop.
No, hey.
Here.
All right. Let's sing before the candles burn down. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Boston. Happy birthday to you.
Boston, try to blow them out, honey, for you burn your cake down.
Don't blow too hard.
Yeah, may catch Tim on fire. Go ahead, honey.
We don't want to put it all over the cake.
Do a better job. Oh, God, leave it on fire. I'll keep this cake.
Help her. Blow. Blow. Blow.
You're 1 year old.
Yay!
Finally! You almost got Lady caught on fire.
All right. Was that fun? That was funny. All right, let's take the candles off.
I can do the green
That's a pretty
one.
cake.
Stop it.